Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Victory Hammer S. 100 cubic inches of V-twin power, gorgeous black and red two-tone. Wait till you hear that Victory exhaust system. Only 28,000 miles on this awesome cruiser. Look at that fat tire in the back. Brand new rear tire, belt drive, fuel injection. Come on by and make your Victory Hammer Cruiser dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.